We like making things hard on ourselves.
This won't do. Now is not the time for content.
Yes,
I
it
need
is.
a piece of wire. I know what I'm doing. It'll take me 20 seconds at the most.
We just need a piece of wire. Beautiful morning in the neighborhood. The sun's coming out, hot rod's warming up, and it's gonna be a good day. It's my birthday weekend. Tomorrow is actually my birthday, but today is Saturday, so we're gonna go to South Carolina with my Nova and my mom's Cougar. We're going to a battlefield from the Revolution and a gun store and some other stuff. So, but it's about a 2-hour drive and it's a beautiful day, so we're gonna take the cars out for a little hot rod run, albeit it being a little cold. Trucks are frozen. Like frozen. It's like 38 degrees. And I'm in shorts. Don't worry though, it's gonna warm up, so it'll be good. We're gonna, excuse me, get going, get gas, get across the mountain into North Carolina, drive through North Carolina, go into South Carolina. Very similar to Drag Week route actually. And then get ready to go. Angry Corvette. Yeah. Yeah. Clear it out. But it'll be good. So let's get on the road. We are about an hour away from the battlefield. Waffle House accomplished. You give a Waffle House?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We'll try again. Good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fat kid happy.
Fat kid happy. Nova did good. Cougar doing good. We are rolling. Let's get back to it. Super cool. Green River Road, 1781. We'll stop in at the visitor center and see what's what. Cars did good as usual. There we go. Cars, hot rods, visitor center. That's a cool monument.
All these rules. No drone zone.
No drone zone. That's a funny thing to say. Drone zone. Drone zone. Battle of Cowpens. Total British is 1,050 men. Daniel Morgan won a signal victory over British force. Tarleton. Very cool.
I was looking at the years and I was looking at the dates to see how.
Very cool. We like making things hard on ourselves.
This won't do. Yeah, see that one. Now is not the time for content.
Yes,
I
it
need
is.
a piece of wire. I know what I'm doing. It'll take me 20 seconds at the most.
We just need a piece of wire. I have hose. Yeah, you hold this.
Oh, what? Oh,
Sorry.
go get it.
Go grab it.
I have a zip tie. That's not gonna help you.
Abby, and cut. Cut.
Ooh,
I'm just being.
look at
I'm
that.
just doing what
Here
I'm
you go.
told by my
Spend.
No, that's some wire.
Baling wire.
Okay, let me see. You might not even have to cut me off. Are you gonna cut? You.
It's up to you if you want to cut. I don't know if it'll be
Oh, this is-
stout enough to. How to break into a 68 Cougar.
Oh, come on, it's stuck in there. You need to get through there. Please hold. I need that loop in there. There we go. She said, I know how to do this. Give me a few seconds to look at it. A few seconds is too long. I told you this. I've had this car since I was 15. I
She
know
knows how to break
get
into
the-
her own car.
You know she had to do it a few times.
If you ever need to get into a locked 68 Cougar, that is how you do it.
Some things never change.
You just need a piece of safety wire.
How am I stuck right now? It went through my welding.
It went through your jacket.
It went through my weld
That's
did it?
funny.
burns. It went through my weld burns while I was wrapping. I was like,
Like,
why
what
is
is
it
happening?
caught to me?
What is happening?
Excuse me, sir. Where
Well,
was
this was fun. This is
Was
a
this a-
added,
just it
yeah,
dawned
you
on
can
me,
just
I'm like-
gonna sit in there. It's fine. This was a fun way to starting the afternoon, morning.
it was a good way.
That was a good start. Now let's go look at history.
That was history.
That was history.
What are you talking about?
Breaking into your car. History. Woohoo! Country was saved by midgets, people. That's the height. Stand next to them. You're like 6 foot, 6'1" in boots. Little guys. Hey, little fella. So that was the second line. This is the skirmish line. We're here.
That's the first one.
So we're gonna get to the cannons and then walk our way out. So this is the skirmisher's line right here.
So this is their first one.
This is the first line.
You are here.
Yeah, I mean, you can totally see if you're coming up that way. I mean, this rise right here, you can't see anything back there. I mean, no. Or they might have been.
Well, the bigger ones, but like the smaller ones in there. So I'm just saying we would have had
Yeah.
still cover, but it would have been easier to maneuver.
One of those Cowpens, so January. So it would have been not many leaves
In the morning.
in the morning. So there wouldn't have been many leaves out in the trees anyway.
Yeah. And if they hid,
So I mean, think about that though. So you're a skirmisher, and there's 1,100 British regulars walking towards you. I mean, they're not much further than those trees right there.
yeah, 50 yards.
And they're, if we're talking about 50 yards, like that's about 50 right there.
Oh,
Sign?
the sign, I bet
That's probably it.
So that's probably where the British, that's probably where the British line started. I mean, so I mean, this entire engagement, I mean, right where that rise is probably where they fired.
Yep.
Like some sort of a British army.
Little bit weebs.
Weeps. All right, so we're at the line where the line started. You want to go to Robert Scruggs' house?
Sure.
You want to go to Robert Scruggs' house? You want to go to his house? Yeah. His house is down there. Look at their stupid hats. In red. So the British line. That's pretty funny.
That's actually
So the Continentals at the end of the battle raced to capture the cannons for their own units. That's really funny. There's a cannon right there. And that'll do it for this episode of the Daily Misfire. I kind of forgot to film a little bit, and there were some issues that we had at the gun store and some other stuff that I'm not going to get into because it kind of grinds my gears a little. But it's fine. It was a good overall road trip, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and some of the history and stuff. We'll work on doing better, like, history. Like, if you guys want to see more history stuff, I'll add that more. I wanted to just kind of show you the road trip and all that stuff because it's fun. And us breaking into my mom's car because the keys were locked in the ignition, which is funny. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like and subscribe and check in for the next one because I'm going to film it right now. So, deuces.